Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, on this channel I always repair my trade setup and my trade pairs. So today I want to start up a kind of my 2025 trade documentary. I believe this year is going to be a great year and it started so well. So I want to do a documentary. I want, if I grow old or maybe in future years, I want to sit back and watch myself on YouTube. So that's why I created the channel, and I want to watch myself, not just because of you watching me. So you subscribing means that you want to gain value and also want to learn from my own process. No man prays to be a failure. So following me means that you're gonna succeed one day. I don't know whether it's short, it's far, but all we know is that you are going to take the process gradually and grow and be sustainably wealthy in future. So make sure you subscribe. Let's grow together and engage on my Telegram. I also have an Instagram handle, so you can also message me there. I'm fully active on Telegram and Instagram. So let's dive into the video as what we have today. From this one, market already rejected of this area, and we don't know whether market is in a sell or in a buy. If you should have the bias that market is in a strong sell, it means that you might not be able to understand that this is a new move that is happening in the market. So some people will start looking out for change of character and stuff like that. But personally, I just focus on what my day high and day low is giving me, which is my day low here was creating a support at this area. My day low was creating a support. If you look, a support around here, and the support was giving a head and shoulder pattern, and that support here was giving a first shoulder, the head, then the second shoulder. You can see that. So I can remember that very day I took a sell around here. I took a sell around here. I was seeing it as a head and shoulder, though knowing fully well that head and shoulders, once market is not able to make it below that neckline, you should just flip it for a buy to go for that sell anymore. So I was targeting something like this. The market dropped 2% in my favor, but I didn't close. I was like, let me watch it. So I just left to do something. While coming back, market has already taken me out here. And ordinarily, if market breaks this next shoulder, you should just look for a buy immediately from that area. But at the moment, I was not ready to trade because I was following my trade plan, which is if I lose 1% in a day, I'm likely not to trade again for the day, unless if I just feel like, now let me do this extra 1%. But once I'm down 2%, I'm done trading for that day, and I stick to it. And that was one of the secrets that helped me to pass my phase one, even though I was then in a journal of 5% because I lost like back to back. But risk management, prioritizing risk to reward, put my account back to make 8%, 9% and pass the account, because I made 9% and pass the account. So that was it. So if to say I not trade this one, I said I shoulder, knowing fully that it's likely going to reject, and I wait for market to reject of this area, or I can even decide to just knowing fully that market has rejected. But the thing was that I just traded it blindly, and that was the reason why I lost the trade. But regardless, that's part of it. So you learn every day. So I can decide to just leave it in an open SL, risking like 30 pips. You get, so risking 30 pips to catch 120, which is like 1:4. I can still make a good trade out of this. But I went blindly and traded it as an head and shoulder, even knowing fully that a head and shoulder is likely not to play out. But that's trading. You don't try to know what will happen in the market for you to make money. Just take the action, execute, and watch what market react to your analysis. And that was it. That was how I lost the trade. But if you want to take a kind of trade like this, and after this rejection you are like, market might still do something, then allow market to clear this side, which was where my surplus was. So once market clear the high, you wait for market to retrace 50% of this candle. You get, so 50% of that bullish momentum candle that invalidated this analysis, you can see 50%, and that was this 50% retest. You can also plot turn on your EMA 8, and you see that market made a good cross above the EMA 8. So as long as the bullish candle crossed above the EMA 8, you see a 50% retracement of that full candle. Then take your trade, and then your SL must be here, just below the candle. Even if it's weak that invalidated this SL, just forget the trade. The trade is on, and this is still 4.5 risk reward. So that's how you'll be able to be making good, catching good risk rewards in the market and With that, you can even take a small account to a big account, and that's just it. So coming here, market was still in a good uptrend, and market invalidated this area. So invalidating this area and making a good push, you shouldn't just be expecting a sell here. It's not normal. So you should expect a buy. So firstly, I wanted to take a buy of this area, and then my SL just slightly below. But I didn't see a good candlestick pattern around here, so I have to wait and allow market to make a good push. Then a tracement, I took a trade here, and that was how I was able to make 3% of my account with just this move that happened from here to here. So that was how I was able to make it. I was risking $50, right, to make 150. So on one account I made 120 something, and on the other account I made complete 3%, and I was up again. And that's how I was able to be kept on making money until market at this point started reacting, like giving a kind of a bias or a sell. So the bias or a sell was what made me a kind of, I was like, market is in a weak buy trend, so I have to, from my strategy, know that it's time to flip a sell, and it played out fine. So if you want to also know how I was able to take that sell trade and was making money, first of all, make sure you are in my Telegram channel, and secondly, wait for the part 2 of this video where I'll be breaking down how I was able to flip the bias and started making sell trades out of this market. I've already passed my phase 1, and my phase 2 I'm in a little drawdown of I think 2% based on the kind of trade I took yesterday, which was against my trading plan. I'll show you how I lost the trade and what I could have done better. Make sure you subscribe, don't forget that. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.